Hello guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, we are going to learn how to apply for Amazon internship and tips and tricks regarding that. So first step you need to do before doing this, just if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and like this video. So let's aim for 100 likes for this video at least. And so this video is really informative. Please do follow. So go to Google and type exam UPTT. You will land up to this first page, and if you open this first page, you will be if you open this first page, let us open. So you will reach to examupdate.in website. Click here, and you will see this Amazon internship software development. So come here a little down, and at last you will find this more details. Click here to apply. After clicking this, you will be redirected to Amazon website, and where you can see it says apply now. Okay, just go to that and log in with your Google ID. Okay, so for example, my Google ID is exam updates. So this is my Google ID. I log in with this. Okay, so after this you will get this, the mail, I mean, like, the box will be after logging in. You will get confirm the email details. Just confirm it. So it will prepare an account for you, because whenever you log in, it will be your very first time. So now just go here, fill out the basic details here. For example, your first name, your last name, your email ID is already by default, and here select India because we are from India. Just go down, scroll a little bit. In the I section, you'll find India, and enter your mobile number after this. Okay. Similarly, fill all these things, where job for work eligibility, resume, or else one important information. If it asks about your previous employer, just put like this, not in this, but whenever it asks for a previous employer, just put an n slash a. Okay, previous employer. Or if it asks about your salary, put as a zero. Okay, not in this, but whenever they ask for a previous employer or salary. So in this, if it asks for the questions like, are you willing to relocate? Just press yes. Your work location will be Hyderabad. Where did you hear this role? Just post it as social media. And here you can just put it any of this thing. You can put it as other and continue. Okay. And when it comes to work history and how many experience do you have? I put 0 to 2 because we are freshers and we are still in the. Please provide your name of a current employee. See, this is what I was talking about. Then you put as a capital N slash A. And what is your primary skills? Just or else you can just put as an A. And yeah, if your primary skills, then put Python, Java, etc., etc. And if you don't want to put, then it's okay. Just put something random. Then continue. Now select about your education. What is your education level? So if you will not have you will have a graduate, right? Are you currently a student? Yes. So what would be your graduation day? For example, mine will be, or else for example, people studying in the final year would be 2025 July or August. We'll check in August. Okay. Have you had a non-internship professional experience? No. So I would suggest this as no. School name would be, for example, let us give us JNTUH, or else we will call Jawahar Lal Nehru Technological University. First major would be your subject, electrical engineering. Okay. Second major would be, you can select anything, computer science, or because it doesn't matter, you can select anything. Computer engineering done, and your minor, just leave it because it is not necessary, and put as a continue thing. Then you will have job specific questions. So here for job specific questions, you will do you have knowledge about computer science? Yes. Do you have any knowledge? Yes. Put it as yes, everything. Do you have bachelor degree in computer? Yes. Please select the degree that you are currently pursuing. BA, BTech. So we'll BTech. So and if you are MTech, you can do. If you have others, no. Okay, just put it as a no because it is important. Star mark. Please select the stream you are consuming. So critical. I mean, like this one, CS or IT. If you are from, then circuital. For electronics, either others can put as others. So we'll put as CSC and IT. Currently pursuing IT. So CSC. I'll say as artificial intelligence. Intelligence. Okay. Now coming back to your CGP, put a 6.75 or whatever is GPA out of 10. Okay. So now if you answered others, then put this as no. If you are complete graduation in 2025, 26, 27, no. And do you have applied for no? Please indicate your first preference of India location. First preference would be Hyderabad. Second preference would be Bangalore. Third preference would be Pune. So you don't need to worry about this. Basically, you will get Hyderabad only maximum because okay, if you have answered others, please specify the scale. Yeah, I have not answered. Invalid number six. Okay, let's try that. Yes. Well, that food is at 10. Now, okay, work eligibility. Just answer all these questions. Have you previously employed at Amazon? No. Have you subject to none? No. Do you need any immigration? No. And everything is, are you currently in the past 3 years have been a government entity? No. Because you are not. And this one is also no. You are not from a sanctioned country. You are from India. Okay, so press India and the temporary status is no, and then continue. Okay, so now upload your resume, acknowledgement, and after filling all this important, you will get a mail. The so as you can see, you will get after successfully applying, you will get a mail from Amazon stating like that to be considered. You can click on guide, and there is also a test link. So this is what the test link is, and this is what the guide link is. So now coming to your, I'll show you. So so now if you click on this software development intern assessment preparation guide, so this will act as a preparation guide where you can refer to what questions you will get and how this role will be. So OA process for SDE internship. So you'll have a test of 70 minutes of coding assessment and then 15 minutes of work style assessment and survey feedback is for 5 minutes. So this is how you can go and apply. So you can just check this. And if you want more help, I'll just pin a view link of YouTube video in the comments. So first pinned comment will be that YouTube video. You can go and watch. That would be really helpful. And if you want to practice, you can just take an online assessment test as a practice test. Before writing, you can just go to continue. You can just go to sample test here. Okay, so you will have this someone like something like this. The first question would be like this coding. So the question will be the fizz bus given a number. You can just write the code for this. Okay, and if you want more and more, just check with the video in the pin comments. In the comments, you will have first video. And if you have any doubts, you can just comment in the comment section. So I hope this will help for you. But the most importantly, what I said regarding the tips and tricks that is under the comment section in the first comment. I'll pin that comment. You can check that video so that it will be more helpful for you. The tips and tricks are in the first comment, and also this is the way to apply for the Amazon internship. So this internship will pay you very good amount, and also it will give a good exposure of Amazon policies, and you will have a great benefit for applying for this internship. And if you have any doubts, you can just comment. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe for more such videos, and let me know in comments what I should post next.